Never fails. It never fails with Nike SB, man. I swear, it's like every time I review one, I might say, okay, this is the SB of the year. This is my favorite for the year. Nike looks at me and just says,
"What do you mean by that?"
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. We got some more stuff, and today we're taking a look at Nike SB. We have a collaboration we're looking at, and shout out to Alexis Sablone. I think she did a good job on this one. I think they came out really, really crazy. And today we're taking a look at the Nike Alexis Sablone in the Chameleon colorway, and I am just really more on the detailing on this. More than anything, they did such a good job with this. This one is so cool. It's different. You're not always seeing something like this. It's just, you know, one of those things that's outside the box, and I think creativity is definitely here for this one. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. Without further ado, let's take a look at these right now. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid. Nefert. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. You already know, I don't even have to say it at this point. Every time I get to come in here and make a video for you guys, it is always a great time. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. This week, I've really been on a roll. We're taking a look at another collab, and if you haven't checked out my last video I dropped yesterday, it was on the Alma Manera 3s. Go check that one out. You guys really showed a lot of love on that. It was a really good video. Today, we're taking a look at the brand Nike SB and the collaboration that they're doing with a great skateboarder known as Alexis Sablone, and that is going to be on the Nike SB down below. And you know, from when I first saw these in February a while back, when they were first talking about these shoes actually coming for releasing, I was kind of like, all right, these look really, really cool. Not only that, but she also did do something with Converse, and we'll talk a little about that and who she is and all that good stuff before we even take a look at this. But retail price on this is $135, and the release date was today, and they did go ahead and release yesterday over on Skate Shops. Like I said, we'll go and talk about it, but I'm really excited because we have them right here, and there's just a lot of detailing on the shoe that I cannot wait to go over. So before I go ahead and actually look at these Chameleon SBs, I do want to go ahead and say thank you guys for all the love and support. I want to show you guys your love. I want to give you guys your shout outs because it is greatly appreciated for all that you guys do. So let's get started with it right now. All right, first and foremost, slow it down a little bit. I want to go ahead and say thank you guys for the love, for the support. I know I always say it, but it's like I really do mean it because you guys, especially this year, have been going absolutely crazy, absolutely insane. If you haven't already, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. The channel is about to hit literally, we're like 130 people away from 6,000 subscribers, and the goal this year is 10K, and I just know, like, I'm just loving it. I'm loving to see the growth. I'm loving to see the engagement. It really means a lot. If you want to get featured like you see right here, all you have to go ahead and do is comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the content. Let me know how you feel about the channel. If you're new, tell me that you're new. That way I can give you like a message. I like to go ahead and really welcome everybody here, and it's just a way for me to give back to you for all that you guys do. So without further ado, like I said, comment, engage, subscribe, and right now let's get into the Nike SB Dunk Low Alexis Sablone Chameleons. Let's go. All right, so here we go. Right here, we have a lot to talk about, so kind of bear with me. So this is the box that it does go ahead and come with right now, and as you can see, I do want to go ahead and read the size description, because if not, I'll probably will forget after I can talk about all this information. So it does go ahead and read Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Oil Green Desert Moss White. This is a size 11, and in women is the 12.5. SKU code on this does go ahead and read HJ3386300. And retail price on this was $135. It comes in a nice cream box, and I'm starting to notice, I'm believing that every time it's like a collaboration or something special, that's when we get the cream box. We'll get the rainbow box, we'll get the purple box, and then we get the cream box, which is my favorite box. So really quick though, before we even take a look at these, I do want to talk about and give you just a little bit of information. So taking a look, right, Nike SB and Alexis Sablone have done something together where they have obviously created a shoe, obviously, right? So looking at some information, who is Alexis Sablone? So Alexis Sablone is an accomplished professional skateboarder and architect, rose to prominence in early 2000s with her innovative style and groundbreaking tricks, known for her smooth transition and technical prowess. Sablone has become an icon in both skateboarding and design communities. In 2024, she is set to launch her own Nike SB Dunk Low and Convert AS1 Pro collaboration, showcasing her unique blend of creativity, athleticism to a wider audience. And on top of that, the Nike SB Dunk Low, designed by Alexis Sablone, showcases a white premium tumble leather build with perforations on the toe box for ventilation. Its stance features lines in a reptile texture overlay, blend green, fuchsia pink hues extended into an olive swoosh, granted the shoe a fashionable edge. Over time, the exterior layer of paint may wear away, unveiling a vibrant fuchsia layer underneath, while a sail midsole, a green rubber outsole round off the design, accompanied by an additional set of laces stored in special packaging. And then this one, like I said, I did go ahead and release today, and this one was really cool too because it was also Nike SB and it was also Converse right here, as you can see right there. And today was the release date for it, and there was like a box set. It was kind of like limited. It was like it was these that we're looking at mixed with the Converse, and then later today they also did go ahead and have just these SB. So I'm really excited to go ahead and take a look at it. I mean, there's a lot of details within this shoe that from what I've researched, is from her story is in this shoe. So I'm really happy to go ahead and see this. Not like that's one thing about Nike SB I love. So enough rambling, let's get on to the shoe right here. So as you can see right here, it does go ahead and say Nike SB. Let's go ahead and open up the box right there. As we open up the box, nothing crazy, you just have your tissue paper. And then as we go ahead and open up the lid right here, not so much lid, but as we pull back the tissue paper, it does go ahead and we get hit with 3, 2, and 1. Here we go right here. And just take a look real quick. Let's just take a look at these. This is something so different. I mean, they really went outside of the box. And when it comes to creativity, you guys know one thing about me, I love creativity. They did their thing on this one. Let's go ahead and take out the other one so we can take a look at it right now. Boom, here we go. Right here, we got the Nike SB Dunk Low Alexis Sablone in the Chameleon colorway, and oh my goodness, there is so much detailing on this one. Real quick, I did go ahead and just so I like to guys show you, when you open up the box, it does go ahead and come with a SB sticker. And if you're probably wondering how I went ahead and got this pair, even I didn't hit on Nike today, even though pairs were, I'm pretty sure if I would have entered, I would have. But where I'm at, skate shops started going ahead, and usually the day before the actual release, they'll go ahead and drop it. I went ahead and got my pair yesterday, so that's how I have these in the collection. So let's take a look, man, because there's a lot to talk about for this one. There really is. I think we're gonna take a look at the left, just because the left, I don't know, the right one has good texture too, but I think we're going with the left one. Let's go with the left one, and let's go ahead and break this down. So starting out from the bottom of the outsole here, we kind of have, sorry, and I have to kind of look at it so I can really, you know, make sure I get the details right. We have like an emerald green and a pink outsole right there. As you can see right there, you got that emerald green, and then it does have Nike SB, which is done in that fuchsia pink. As we come up to the midsole right here, we have kind of like a sail midsole, which goes all the way around the entirety of the shoe. It looks very good. And as we come up right here, this is what I love. As we come up, and you know, pictures just never justify how it looks when you get it in hand. When you come up, we get kind of more of that reptile type of, like, they decided to go ahead and use a reptile type of skin for the shoe right here. It looks really good. And I mean, hence why they call this thing the Chameleon. I see why, because they went ahead and put a lot of, like, you know, details in a chameleon kind of in here. And as you go ahead and you see right here, I love as you come up, look at the way the suede on that, not suede, but look at the way the swoosh, excuse me. They kind of went with like a mossy green type of color. And one thing I like about this one too, if you look at it, it kind of has like ripples that kind of go, like, you know, around the swoosh right there where it goes up. Very, very nice, my goodness. As we come up to the back right here, you do have in the back of the heel, you have your Nike right there, which is kind of in that suede, and then you do have a S, which is stands for Alexis Sablone. And then as you can see right there, as we come up to the front of the toe box right there, the toe box is done with a nice leather. This one does look, it will crease extremely easy, nothing wrong with that. It just kind of feels like that's the leather they went with. As you come up right here, you get hit with your kind of like your olive green laces right there. And if I'm not mistaken, we also do get, just wanted to shout this out too, we do get extra laces right there. You get white laces and you do get that fuchsia pink lace right there. As we come up to the tongue right here, it does say Nike SB Chameleon, which is done in a green patch right there, very clean. And then as we come up in the insole right here, it does also have more of that fuchsia pink right there with a Nike swoosh, which does say Alexis Sablone. Hope you guys can go ahead and see that right there. Is there anything, and we take out the shoe tree right here, let's take a look at it. Yeah, there is. There actually is a chameleon patch. If I'm not mistaken, when I did my research, this was, I believe, the same patch that she went ahead and put for the Olympics for the jerseys that they went ahead and used, which I think is really, really cool. That's one thing about SBs I love when they do collaborations, is like like I said, they tell a story within a shoe, and I think that's really, really cool. So I like this a lot. I like this a lot. I think the details on this is really insane. In terms of creativity, I definitely feel it's up there for this year. Let me know what you guys think about it too. And don't forget, there also was a Converse that she did go ahead and have as well. There was that box set. I think it was like pretty limited. I think it was numbered. Let me know if you hit on that as well. I didn't. I was gonna go for it. It was like $250, but I was like, you know what? I just really wanted these. They looked really, really nice. And I'm happy I got them. If I'm not mistaken too, I believe somebody was telling me that there actually is kind of like a tearaway. So if you wear this for a while, eventually the screen will go away on revealing like a pink hue on it. I saw a picture. I'll put it up right here so you can see. That's gonna be kind of cool. I might have to test that out to kind of see how it looks. But overall though, Nike SB Alexis Sablone, I think you guys blew this one out of the water, and I'm really excited to kind of see more of her project and more of her work that she has done in the future, or she is going to be doing in the future. And yeah, these are a nice one right here. Let me know what you feel about them down below. I am going to go ahead and break away to an on-feet review. Before I do, want to get a closer perspective. That way, if like you hit this morning or you hit on some, skateboard spot and you're kind of waiting for it to come in, then this review can help you kind of like, get it more excited for it. So let's get a closer perspective, shall we? So here we go right here, man. This one is so nice. The Nike SB Dunk Low Alexis Sablone in the Chameleon colorway. They really did their thing on this one. They really did their thing. I can't get over the reptile scales they use. It's like that. It just looks so nice. It's so nice, so different. Also, if you kind of take a look closer, there is more fuchsia pink on the outer edges of like the stitching. I feel like that's so cool. Go through the sides with this one. It fits like any other of your SBs. They have a lot of padding in here, so I know it'll be nice. I cannot wait to put these on feet. But let me know what you guys think about them. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? I really feel, and I'm saying this right now, in terms of creativity for SBs this year, definitely up there. Definitely up there. Very exciting to have these, and I'm really, really excited that I'm gonna be putting these on feet right now. So do let me know what you feel about the Chameleons down below. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I had to bring the second one for this one to put it in the frame, but this has been the review over the Nike SB Dunk Low Alexis Sablone in the Chameleon colorway, and they did these things right. Let me know how you feel down them below. On feet is coming right now. I greatly appreciate you guys. All this to do. I'm working so hard this year. You have no idea. I'm working so hard, taking sacrifices to really make out good content, because you guys enjoy it, I enjoy it, and to see the growth of it is just so motivational by itself. So let me know what you guys feel about them. I am gonna go ahead, like I said, on feet is coming right now. There's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. And until next time, it's been your boy, it's been your kid, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.